Hello, friends. Welcome to my beautiful, colorful world. This is my space. Every morning, I sit here at this table with my brush, my colors, and my thoughts. This house isn't just four walls to me. It's the heartbeat of my life, the foundation of everything I love. The sunlight comes in through this window every morning. It hits the table, paints patterns on the floor, and makes everything glow. It's like the house knows how to wake me up gently with its quiet warmth. My walls are filled with stories. This painting here, that's the story of my garden's first bloom. Last year, I planted roses. I wasn't sure they'd grow, but they did. It felt like magic when they bloomed. And this is from a rainy afternoon. The sky was gray, but the raindrops danced like they had their own rhythm. Outside is the lawn. It's green, it's soft, and it stretches far enough to lose yourself for a moment. I watch the flowers there every season. Tulips in the spring, daisies in the summer, and golden leaves in the fall. Each season changes it, and yet it always feels the same. Peaceful, familiar, alive. There's a tree I love most in my backyard. It's old, it's tall. I imagine it has seen generations of children running through the grass, moments of joy and quiet dreams. It doesn't ask questions or demand much. It just stands there, and somehow that makes it special to me. My house has its own rhythm. The quiet in the mornings, the sound of the wind in the trees, the smell of fresh paint and blooming flowers in the air. It all fits together. This is what beauty feels like to me. Not loud, not perfect, but simple and calm. This is my world. It isn't large, but it's full. It has its own story, and I think that's what makes it beautiful.